What's going on, everyone? Since my last video on Coinbase, cryptocurrency has seen so much growth, and specifically Bitcoin has now exceeded $1 trillion in market cap. Yes, 1 trillion. Now, just because it's grown this much, that does not mean that there won't be a pullback, because there most likely will be, although not necessarily drastic. But moving on, this is my portfolio as of February 21st at almost 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. As you can see, my money's almost tripled, and I've only put in $100 followed by the $10 referral worth of Bitcoin that I received from taking the referral link from a friend. But look at that growth within a day, within a week, within a month. When I initially got it, the average was $19,000 for one Bitcoin, and now one Bitcoin is 58. I haven't put any other money inside that account. So I created this account back in December. With this logic, if I put in $1,000, it would have been about $3,000. Just makes you think how important it is to be able to handle debts and to have available money so that you can invest it. But circling back to Coinbase, I'm still using Coinbase because, as you can see, I don't have much money in there, and I'm going to start out with this until I get a decent amount. As you can see here, that's my full portfolio with all of the different types of cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin being the biggest mover. The rest of those I was given free upon finishing some quizzes and answering some questions. But as you can see, this is the growth within a month. And within a week you can see the increase too, and even a day it's seen some ups and downs. Like I said, the crypto currency market is pretty volatile, but this is new technology, and as I continue to learn, you'll continue to learn as well. I'm sure there's many people that know more about me. I'm a beginner, so just think about how much more I'm going to learn. And let's not forget that Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin in January, and that allowed them to soon start accepting payments in Bitcoin. So that just goes to show the rise to prominence that Bitcoin currently continues to have. And let's not forget there's other cryptocurrencies as well, like Ethereum and some other likes, but I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just letting you know that cryptocurrency continues to rise in value. Shout out to Common Sense Eli, aka What Happened to Common Sense, his YouTube channel. He knows what he's talking about. He's been doing videos and content and in the cryptocurrency industry for years. And if you wanted to get started into crypto investing or just learning more about it in all its entirety, I would suggest you look at his content. He even has a website platform that talks about cryptocurrency and educates you on it. Now, I haven't signed up for it, but it's something that I might intend on investing in the future. And here is just a snapshot of some of his latest videos. As always, this isn't financial advice, just a suggestion if I were in your shoes, and I will continue to make more content. Like I said, once I get more income and I start growing my portfolio to a more higher amount, then I will consider getting a cold wallet, which is somewhere where you can hold your crypto offline and then just remember the password key so that you can get in and check the status of your crypto securely. Alright, so thank you for listening. I'll definitely do more updates and plan on ramping it up, so uploading more content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate it. RFBM, raising the financial bar with Mar.